You can generate 30 TikToks in just 10 minutes with this free Cloud Code skill. Let me show you how it works. So all you need to do is to have a Cloud Code subscription, install this skill, have a full AI API key to generate images and videos, and have a B-roll of your product. Four things, and you will have a month of content to promote your app. So let's start. The first thing we will do is to install the skill. You have your Cloud Code session, run these commands, and the skill will be added to your Cloud Code. You can check the skill here. It's just a GitHub repo. So the next step is to obviously start the skill. Again, super easy. Just write that you want to create TikToks for your apps. And the next step is to give it a full AI API key. So we use full AI for image generation. We use Nana Banana, and we use it for video generation. We use Weed model. You can switch to the model that you like. I, prefer these models because they're kind of cheap and they work the best for this task. But if you like to work with a different model, you can just ask Cloud Code to change the settings. So the next step is to add your B-roll. B-roll can be anything. If you have a professional footage of, your product, it's great. You can just go with a simple screen recording. I have it here, so I just show my app store and then showcase the app and kind of just speed up a little bit, I think, and cut the unnecessary things. So something simple, so user just after they see the hook, they understand what app is about. Again, you can go crazy here. Anything 5 to 15 seconds will do, and you can just get it in 1 minute if you don't have one. So you start working with the skill, and the first thing that you will get is a character metrics. So character metrics is 5 characters. We try different, aesthetics, different demographics. If you have any preference, you can say, if you think that your audience is only women, just say it, and you will get 5 women. If you have like some understanding about the race or nationality or age, again, say it. Overall, you just try to understand what is the target audience segments that you might want to target. If you have any feedback, give it. But this is a first step that the skill requires your input if you like what's going on. So the second step is we generate character images, and the characters are not just kind of doing nothing. It will be the first image of the video. So as you can see here, for example, this guy is sitting in the car. She's like a little bit surprised. Yeah. So this will be the first frame of the video, and the video will go from this frame. If you don't like, just tell it to regenerate something, you will get a better version. So if everything is good, you generate just reaction clips. You can find them here as clips. So you get 5 clips, and we will use these clips to match with B-rolls. So the next step is obviously we'll get our 30 TikToks. As you can see, I actually already have all of them here. There's just 3 from the batch. So just let's take a look. We have the first just 3-second hook and then the video. Again, they're all a little bit different, and you can play around what you like. You can, do a little bit more emotion, maybe more zoom in of camera, but a lot of things skill will do just out of the box. So one thing to notice is that you have a lot of hooks to select from. So the skill comes with 800 hooks, and what happens is it selects 30 hooks and applies to your project. So if you don't like these hooks, you can just say, generate 30 different hooks with the same clips, and you will get new videos. Everything is done on your laptop. Nothing goes out. And if you like some things, for example, you want it to be a little bit faster, just tell Cloud Code and it will just speed up all videos at a sample point. So as a result, you get 30 TikToks in just 10 minutes. I even get faster, I think like 5 minutes. And if you want, for example, more clips, you just generate 5 more clips and generate a new batch. If you want different characters, again, you just tell Cloud Code. It has all tools to do that. So this skill is, you can use it right now. All you need to do is type these commands, and Cloud Code will be able to generate them. Yep. And if you are looking to something more automated, you don't want to do it, you just go to Clipspell and we do it automatically, 2 AI TikToks a day to grow your app. So you just, describe your project, it happens. But if you want to try it for your new project, maybe you don't have enough MRR to understand if you want to commit, you just try this free skill and you only pay for the image generation and video generation. And from my experience, it's basically $3 for the 5 characters, 5 short clips. So it's basically nothing, and you get a pool of videos to post to grow your app. So this is a free Cloud Code skill. Try it, let me know how it works, and good luck growing your app.